If you own a piece of gas-powered equipment, whether it's a generator, a lawnmower, or a pressure washer, you know how important it is to change the oil. And that used to be a really easy, relatively neat job when they had a drain plug on the bottom of the engine, not unlike the ones you have on your car. But most pieces of equipment do not, and you have to dump the oil out of the same port that you pour the oil in, and that ends up being a very messy proposition. Oil typically drips all over the motor, all over the engine housing and the floor of your garage. So to make that job a lot easier, get a half-gallon milk container, cut away the spout and along the sides, and you end up with just this little holder like this, perfect to capture that dirty oil. So now you have to tip the motor up because there's no drain plug. This is the only other way to do it. You tip it up on its edge, hold this in place, and wait for that dirty oil to come out. There you go. Look at that, not a single drop ended up on the mower itself or on the floor. So now you've captured all that dirty oil very neatly in this container. You can pour it into a separate container, and once that's filled, you can bring it to the recycling center.